Okay, the story Rescue Dogs Save the Day is an expository text. An expository text may explain different types of topics like science topics or social studies topics. It includes text features such as headings, photographs, captions, and a chart, which we're going to talk about today. So looking at our story from this week, we're going to identify some of the things that make Rescue Dogs Save the Day an expository text. So one text feature is that it gives us information, facts. So we can see in this one that it's giving us facts about rescue dogs. Rescue dogs begin their training as puppies. That's a fact. So when we see that there are facts within our text, we know that that's expository text. That's one of the text features. Another text feature is the headings. When we have headings, that's a text feature that tells us what that section is going to be about. So this heading, Getting Ready to Work, we know that this section is going to tell us about how rescue dogs get ready to do their job. Another text feature is the chart. So a chart puts information into a way that is easy to read. So we can see that this chart is going to tell us the best rescue dog breeds. That's the title of the chart. So in the first section we have all the different dog breeds: Labrador Retriever, German Shepherd, Bloodhound, and Border Collie. And we can see a picture of each of them. Then we can see that this chart is going to tell us the different traits that each of those dogs have. So it tells us that the Labrador Retriever is friendly. That helps it to be a good rescue dog. And the same thing for the other breeds. It gives us each trait that helps it to be a good rescue dog. And we can see it very clearly. We can see it very clearly in this chart. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at that chart and you're going to answer the question, why do German Shepherds make good rescue dogs? Remember to start by restating, German Shepherds make good rescue dogs because they have which trait? Look at the chart to finish that answer. Go ahead and go to Wonders and click to the Your Turn page, and you can go ahead and use the type tool to answer that question.